How to connect to a table in a PDF from the Power BI desktop client. Prerequisites for connecting to a table within a PDF include having the Power BI desktop client installed, being connected to the Cisco AnyConnect admin VPN, and having a PDF with a table of data. For example, we have this PDF which consists of the countries and province codes. In here we have a little bit of text, followed by a table which is split between 3 pages, and then we conclude with a little more text. Transitioning to Power BI Desktop, select Get Data, More, PDF, and then we're going to click on Connect. Locate our PDF and then select Open. Give it a couple of seconds to connect, and then in here you can select the tables that were extracted. Since our tables were within 3 pages, it shows up as 3 tables. So select the 3 and then select Transform Data. In the Power Query Editor, we have the option to combine these 3 tables into one. For instance, let's say I'd like to append the first table to the 3rd page. We're going to select Table 3 and then select OK. And then once we're happy with our appended table, we can click Close and Apply. Give it a couple of seconds for the changes to load into Power BI. And that's it. You've successfully loaded in embedded data from a PDF. From here, you can build your visuals as you normally would.